Hi, this is Raxel and you are watching Raxel DS777 channels, and this video is about Pixel Extended Custom ROM review. The Android version is Android 13, Pixel Extended version 5.1, maintained by Ralph 979, and the security update is 5th October 2022, the newest security patch, I guess. You get the newest Soviet star kernel here, October 24. And now you see, let's go to settings and you will see PE extension. You get pixel extension, enter here for the word. You get the customization for your status bar and lock screens, system and hardware. These are all nothing new to see here. We have already seen this type of customization. So now let's go and see the CPU throttling test and benchmarks. Right, you get the max CPU throttling test 189K GIPS and the average is 175K. Minimum is 167K and it was run for 9 minutes 12 seconds. And this is the home screen. Now let's go to home settings. You get pixel launcher, you get add a glance option and wallpapers and style. You get theme icons, it's working perfect. And on the left corner you get Google Fit. Right, even though this phone is old and running on 60 fps, it feels smooth. Right, you can see there is no shutter screen, there is no lagging here, I guess. Let's see the app opening animation and the UI interface, and the UI is smooth and fast. Right, this is the benchmark I got here. Single score 737 and the multi score is 2458. Not so good though. And let me show you the quick setting panel here. These are the panels you get: heads off, ambient display, AOD, one-handed mode, caffeine, extra dim, sound amplifier, DC dimming. Right, and you can check out the camera you get here. This is the camera. And this is the battery drain here. Idle drain 3.59% and the active drain is 21.41%. But don't expect this number of drain to get in your phone, because my battery is not good. My battery mAh is only 2600 mAh right now. It's already damaged. It's been already 2 years my phone. So if your battery is good, then you will get a much battery backup, much better idle drain and active drain in your phone. Okay, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, goodbye.